អង្គថ្ងៃបោះឆ្នោតរឹតណាបានប្រាក់លឹកពេក
tired of that annoying, flaky scalp that just won't quit. I feel you. I used to struggle with it constantly, trying every shampoo on the market. But what if I told you there's a technique that can give you that super satisfying, clean scalp feeling? Almost like a perfect peel. Stick around, because I'm about to show you how to get rid of those flakes in one clean motion. First things first, this isn't about scratching your scalp raw. We want to be gentle, but effective. The secret is preparation. Before you even get in the shower, take a few minutes to prep your scalp. I like to use a lightweight oil, like jojoba or almond oil. Apply it directly to your scalp, not your hair. Use your fingertips to gently massage it in circular motions. This isn't just relaxing. It softens and loosens those stubborn flakes so they're ready to lift off easily. Let the oil sit for about 10 to 15 minutes. This is a perfect time to brew some tea or just chill. Now for the main event. Hop in the shower and let the warm water run over your head for a minute. This helps open up your pores. Next, grab your favorite clarifying or anti-dandruff shampoo. Instead of just lathering up randomly, apply it directly to your scalp section by section. Here's the key. Use a silicone scalp massager. These little tools they're gentle, they won't tangle your hair, and they provide the perfect amount of friction. Start at your hairline and work your way back, moving the massager in small, circular motions. You'll literally feel the loosened flakes lifting away. It's incredibly satisfying. The combination of the pre-sewer oil treatment and the scalp massager helps the flakes come off in larger pieces, giving you that clean peel effect without damaging your skin. Spend a good 2 to 3 minutes really working the shampoo in with the massager. Once you're done, rinse thoroughly. Make sure you get all the shampoo and loosened flakes out. You might want to shampoo a second time, focusing just on a quick lather and rinse to ensure everything